Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer networking. So let's get started. In the context of the data link layer, what is the primary purpose of the cyclic redundancy check, CRC? The correct answer is option B, to detect bit errors in the received frame. Which of the following routing protocols is classified as an exterior gateway protocol, IGP? The correct answer is option C, BGP. During the TCP three-way handshake, what is the status of the flags in the second segment sent from the server to the client? The correct answer is option A, SYN equals 1, ACK equals 1. Which DNS resource record type is used to map a domain name to an IPv6 address? The correct answer is option C, quad A. In a go backend ARQ protocol, if the window size is 7 and the sender has sent frames 0 through 6 and an acknowledgement for frame 2 is received, which frames can the sender now transmit? The correct answer is option B, frames 7, 8, and 9. Which of the following is a characteristic of the UDP protocol? The correct answer is option C, low overhead and no congestion control. Which field in the IPv4 header is used to prevent a packet from looping indefinitely in the network? The correct answer is option C, time to live TTL. What is the size of the space, or interface ID part in a standard IPv6 global unicast address? The correct answer is option C, 64 bits. In the IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi standard, which mechanism is used to avoid collisions on the wireless medium? The correct answer is option B, CSMA/CA. Which HTTP status code indicates that a resource has been permanently moved to a new URL? The correct answer is option B, 301 moved permanently. The count to infinity problem is a well-known issue associated with which type of routing algorithm? The correct answer is option B, distance vector routing. Which protocol is used to automatically assign IP addresses, subnet masks, and default gateways to hosts on a network? The correct answer is option B, DHCP. In TCP congestion control, what happens during the slow start phase? The correct answer is option B. The congestion window doubles for every RTT. What is the primary difference between a hub and a switch in terms of data handling? The correct answer is option B. A hub broadcasts data to all ports, while a switch forwards data to specific ports based on MAC addresses. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for data compression and encryption? The correct answer is option C, presentation layer. In IPSec, which mode encrypts both the IP header and the payload of the original packet? The correct answer is option B, tunnel mode. Which of the following is a valid MAC address? The correct answer is option C, 00:1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E. What is the purpose of the spanning tree protocol STP, in a switched network? The correct answer is option B, to prevent layer 2 loops and broadcast storms. Which port number does the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, typically use for communication between mail servers? The correct answer is option A, 25. In fiber optic communication, which type of cable allows for the longest transmission distances without signal degradation? The correct answer is option C, single-mode fiber. Which of the following is not a valid private IPv4 address range as per RFC 1918? The correct answer is option C, 169.254.0.0, 169.254.255.255. What does the Sealy window syndrome refer to in TCP? The correct answer is option B, a condition where the sender or receiver exchange very small segments, leading to poor efficiency. Which protocol is used by a host to report its multicast group membership to adjacent routers? The correct answer is option B, IGMP. What is the maximum data rate defined for the original Bluetooth 1.0 specification? The correct answer is option A, 1 megabit per second. In an Ethernet frame, what is the purpose of the preamble? The correct answer is option B, to provide synchronization between the sender and receiver clocks. Which of the following describes jitter in a computer network? The correct answer is option B, the variation in the delay of received packets. Which command line tool is used to display the path hops that a packet takes to reach a destination host? The correct answer is option D, tracert. In the context of FTP, what is the difference between active and passive mode? The correct answer is option A. In active mode, the server initiates the data connection. In passive mode, the client initiates it. Which algorithm is used by the OSPF routing protocol to calculate the shortest path to a destination? The correct answer is option B, Dijkstra's algorithm. In IPv6, which header field replaces the options field found in the IPv4 header? The correct answer is option C, extension headers. Thank you for watching.